Hey you guys, it's your girl Sadie's Curls and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute protective style. It's 2-strand twist with flat twist on the side. And you can either wear it down like I have it, or you can wear it with the little bang part down and the back pulled into a ponytail. And if you want to see how I achieve this style, just keep watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, we're starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair using the Lotta Body's Milk and Honey line, and I will link my review on those products in this video. I went ahead and put my hair inside the turban towel just to get rid of some of that excess water because I like working on damp hair. Alright, so to make things a little bit easier for myself, I already had my hair sectioned off and detangled. So now I'm just going to pull the rest of that hair up out the way, leave the back 2 sections down, and get right to it. Things first, I take my spray bottle and spray my hair with water just to get a little bit more wet. It dried out a lot being inside my turban towel. After I spray my hair with water, I'm going to go ahead and take the Milk and Honey Nourish Me leave-in conditioner and apply that to my hair. And so now I'm just making sure that product is worked into this section really well so that I can get a nice defined moisturized style. So after that product's worked completely into my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and do that to the rest of my head and then start twisting up the sections so that I can part my hair the way I want it to be for this style. Alright, so for this style, I am going to take this section of hair right here on the side of my head. I'm detangling it with the Denman brush, and this is where my 3 flat twists are going to be. So now that that section's completely detangled, I'm going to go ahead and take my rat tail comb and just part off my hair into 3 sections so I can begin the flat twist. Alright, so now for my styler, I'm going to go in with the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse and apply that to that section so I can get a nice defined twist. Also taking some of the 24-hour Tame Me edge control and applying that to my edges to give it that smooth and neat look. not a flat twist expert or anything, but I will say that I've noticed that as long as you try to grab even sections of hair when you're doing your flat twist, it looks neat and comes out nice as well. Just a little tip. So once I'm done flat twisting my hair, then I'm going to go ahead and begin to put the 2-strand twist in my hair. And as you'll see here, just for an extra measure, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle these sections a little more thoroughly with my Denman brush before I start each 2-strand twist.
The window of conception, this in green, when you were intimate with Ms. Rockmore, that was pretty much the whole month of July.
Yes, ma'am. The whole month of July, we were having intercourse, and that's when we met and we were out.
Alright, so for this section of hair, I'm still doing 2-strand twists. I'm just going to twist them in the direction that I want them to lay to give me the desired look that I'm going for. Alright, so for these last few twists, I'm actually going to flat twist them so that they will go in the direction that I want them to go. Just because I tried them with a 2-strand twist and they just did not lay the way that I wanted them to lay. And here is the finished product. My hair is still a little damp, but I'm not taking it down, so this is the way that it's gonna look. I'm just going in with a little bit more of the edge control just to sleek my edges a little bit, and then I will show you guys what the front and the back of my hair looks like as well. Alright you guys, so that's how I achieved this cute protective style. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!